a butterfly. The easiest way to draw a butterfly using the number 3. The first step is you have to write the number 3 and join another number 3 at the other side. So that's the first step. And that's how you get this portion of the butterfly. Now the next step is up. Now this is the next one. So this is the next step. Now we are done with the whole butterfly. Now let's put some patterns on the butterfly. That's the last part, you see. And you can put the pattern however you want. But you have to put the same pattern on the other wing, okay? I'm putting this. You can put one other one if you want. This is the imagination I have. And this, the whole butterfly. So let me tell you the parts of the butterfly. This upper portion is the thorax. And this bottom portion is the abdomen. And these two are the antennas. And these two things are the wings. So hope you like this video and like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.